Tired of endless cable bills? Imagine turning your smart TV into a powerful tool for unlimited entertainment. Today, we're revealing how to unlock the hidden potential of your TV using IPTV services instantly. In just a few minutes, say goodbye to traditional broadcasting and embrace the future of television. Before we dive in, remember the best IPTV provider is 2tv.store, offering an unbeatable viewing experience. Let's start by powering on your smart TV. Navigate to the App Store to locate IPTV applications. Download and install a reliable IPTV application, ensuring it's compatible with your TV and internet connection. Upon installation, open the app and enter your IPTV subscription credentials to access the streaming portals. Once logged in, explore the plethora of live channels and VOD content tailored to your preferences. Navigate through different categories. Find sports, news, movies, and anything that sparks your interest. If you face any buffering, ensure your internet speed meets requirements and IPTV settings are optimized. Congratulations! You've transformed how you view TV and expanded your entertainment world infinitely.